Now to get started, I created some starting resources for you. I created a new profiles app, and you can do the same by running Python manage py start app profiles. Make sure you create such an app, and then you can download my attached folder and simply paste it into your profiles folder so that you get the static, the templates folders, the views, and the URLs py files, which I pre-configured for you. You also need to go to your project folder and to settings py there and add profiles as an installed app. Otherwise, the templates won't be picked up, for example. Once you did all of that, you can run your development server again. And with it up and running, you can visit localhost 8000/profiles, and you'll see this basic form, which has no content other than a file picker and a upload button. And that's now the content we're going to work with throughout this section. And we're going to learn step by step how file upload works and how we can ensure that it works in the way we want it to work.